works now.
Yay! Okay, so do this for me. Here, I'm just gonna really quickly go back to my slides. So, okay, so we're gonna use the highlight button to comment. And specifically on this document, I really am just sort of asking, what do you find funny, right? We don't have to do anything else. Is there place where you're catching him be funny? Or if you're not finding him funny, just highlight some portion that you want to point out that you think is interesting and make a comment about it. The first round is going to be that. I want you guys to annotate the document with comments. The second round is that I want you to start reading your peers' annotations, and you can respond to them with any comment of your choice. So we'll just try about a minute of annotating with comments, and then I'll sort of say, hey, you guys, can you start talking to each other? Are you ready? All right, let's take about 30 more seconds to read the comments that people are making. I'm gonna say, get ready to share in the live chat box. So we'll do a quick chat in the chat box, which is just this. Annotating this, looking at this closely, the annotations other people made me realize. How you finish that sentence is totally up to you. What are you realizing just having looked at this a couple times? Can be about him, can be about South Africa, can be about how to make something funny, could be about mixing together awful and funny. Whatever you're thinking about, give us a sentence in the chat. Oh, Danielle, what? Don't forget to click the arrow on your comment. Oh, that his life is pretty dark and he's been in a bad position from the day he was born. Yeah, just because they're introverts. But realize that everyone can understand a joke that can have a lot of meaning behind it. Absolutely, right? Jokes are not always silly. Sometimes they're like, they point out something really serious. Martinez Daniele, sorry, that's how your name reads. Not everything is funny. Some of it's sad, and the fact that you can be seen in public with his parents. Yes, yes, yes. What Michaela says Amy. God. Okay, great. Dia, you have any thoughts about this? Are you still there? Dia, are you actually there? Jaylana, are you actually there? Jaylana feels like we're gonna use jokes almost like a poke. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, totally. Yeah. Okay. You are beautiful girls, and I'm so grateful for you trying that out with me. Thank you so much. I think it's a little bit fun, and I'll see if I can make it even more fun later. I'm going to go back to the sort of